You tell me which one is costier stock, Zomato 234 rupees stock or MRF of 1,10,000 rupees stock? Which one is more costier and which one is cheaper? By looking at the share price, whether you decide that stock is costier or cheaper, then this video is for you. Today I will show you that based on that profit and market cap, how you can decide that whether stock is cheaper in bargain or overvalued, undervalued, everything. So let's see with an example, easy example, because I have spent my 10 years of life in a grocery shop. So I will let me allow to take an easy example of a shop, grocery shop. Let's assume that your neighbor, some Bania friend is there. I am Bania. So some Bania friend is there who is having one grocery shop. Two grocery shops, two Bania friends. One name is Zomato, other friend's shop name is MRF. Okay, let's see like this. So the shop which is named as Zomato, that shop is offered at 2,25,000 crore. Your Bania friend is telling you that you can buy my shop if you have 2,25,000 crore. The shop name is Zomato. And your other friend, your other Marwadi friend, he is offering you his shop at 46,000 crore. Okay, his shop name is MRF. Forget about share price. Share prices are nothing. The dividend of your shop, in how many pieces you divide your shop, like that only share prices come. You assume the total shop you want to buy, total company you want to buy. So I have to pay 46,000 crore for MRF and 2,25,000 crore for Zomato. The first thing what you will ask to your Marwadi friend, how much you are profiting last year, how much you profited. Okay, so your Zomato friend, what he will tell, he will come to his balance sheet and he will show you that I have made a profit of 663. This number he will tell. This year I am making 663 crore rupees of profit. You will say, okay, for 600 crore profit you have made and you are asking me 2,25,000 crore for the full shop. Okay. Next, MRF share. You will ask that MRF shop owners that how much you are earning. So he will tell that I am earning around 1750 crore. Then you will ask, for 600 crore rupees profit, I am paying 2 lakh 25,000 crore, and for 1750 crore, the shop which is profiting 1750 crore, I am paying only 46,000 crore. Now, some of your intellectual friend will tell that Zomato has some vision, Zomato will expand like anything, it has Blinkit, it has this, it has that, and MRF has that same tires only, it will run on road only, whether electric, non-electric, nothing will change. So you will feel that excitement, and when excitement will come, what will happen? You will lose, because every excitement you have to pay. Any activity where you got excitement and they will pay you? Nothing. Wherever excitement comes, you have to pay. That you remember in stock market. If you are getting excited, that is one thing is assured, that you have to pay. So suppose Amazon will come into play in food delivery, what will happen? Reliance will come into this, what will happen? Then where will be the profit? So in hope, you cannot give that much market cap. Always give a market cap which is on the balance sheet now. That will be a retailer's perspective, that you should not be taking very high risk. Now we'll compare the same market cap company which you can use as a standard, that is Asian Paint. So what I'm going to tell you is Zomato market cap is 2,25,000 crore. Means the Zomato shop you are purchasing at a price of 2,25,000 crore. Thus, if you have this much amount, you can buy Asian Paint, because Asian Paint also is giving you his shop at 2,15,000 crore. 10,000 rupees you are getting benefit that you can spend in your son's marriage also. So if you have 2,25,000 crore, better to buy Asian Paint shop than Zomato shop, because Asian Paint shop is already profiting almost 4 to 5,000 crores per year, whereas your Marwadi friend name as Zomato wala friend, he is only making a profit of 600 crore. With a 600 crore profit, he is selling his shop to you at 2,25,000 crore, whereas Asian Paint is making 5,000 crore, continuously growing profits, and every 4 to 5 years its profits are doubling, and that shop is offering you at same 2,15,000 crore. Now this is how you should approach any share, whether it is undervalued or overvalued, whether it is cheaper or costlier. This you keep as a standard. This already become multi-bagger companies now. Asian Paint, Titan, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, these are examples. This you can keep as a benchmark. Like if market cap is 2 lakh 15,000, Asian Paint is a benchmark, then you can say 2 lakh 15,000 crore company should get a profit of how much? Almost 4 to 5,000 crore rupees. Then only it is justified, otherwise it is overvalued. So if you have a company which is having a market cap of 1 lakh crore, you should immediately see whether the company is getting a net profit of 2,500 to 3,000 crore or not. If it is not getting that much profit, it is overvalued. Then you can wait for a market correction in that, whether that stock will be corrected and come to your price. Otherwise you wait, don't jump into. If that company is earning more, if it company is making more profit, that is very good. The stock is undervalued, you can buy it. But you have to start comparing it with the stocks which have given multi-bagger returns in last 30-40 years, because they are setting you examples that this type of companies runs in stock market. So I tried to make it just that easy, this concept, that by looking at the good company's profit and market cap ratio, you can judge your own company whether it is costlier or cheaper. So you can use this concept and don't see the stock price, that MRF is 1,10,000 rupees stock, so it is very costlier, and 225 rupees Zomato is like cheaper. I have 220 rupees for pizza, so I can pay for Zomato. No, it's not like that. You have to see how much, if you have to buy that full company, what you have to pay and what that company is giving you in return. That simple thing, if you start to analyze for each stock, whatever you buy, your stock market journey will be very calm and very good. Second thing you have to see is the whether that company is doubling its profit in every 4 to 5 years minimum. Like if it is doubling in 3 years, that's great. If it is doubling in 2 years, like wow. So whether that company is able to double its profit in every 4-5 years, that time you can decide that okay, now this company is good, management is good, because they are able to gain or double their profit in certain times. Now with what the process I told you, like you can compare it, the stock with the good companies, that what is the profit now and how much total market cap is now. So based on that you can decide whether the company is undervalued or overvalued. So these all three stocks are just for your education purpose, not stock recommendation. You can start analyzing like this. Hope you like the video. If you like, subscribe, like, share. That we have to say. YouTubers have to say that. So okay, bye. We'll see you in next video.